Offline mode can be very useful when you have limited connectivity to the server, or you're going to be out of the office for a while and want to continue working on your project. Here you can see a project I've been working on, some of the files I've touched and have local copies of, and some I don't. Even if you have files open, you can go into offline mode. Simply go to Tools and Work Offline. Give the system a few seconds to disconnect from the server. Now you are free to browse the vault without being connected to the server. The blue folders are a good indication that you're in offline mode, and you'll be able to use files that you have local copies of. If you need to check in your files or view files that you don't have a local copy of, simply go to Tools, Work Online. Once the client has reconnected to the server, you can browse the rest of the vault and check in any files that you may have modified.